morning, goat lovers. This is Crystal here with Blue Cactus Dairy Goats, and my family has ditched me today. So they're actually down at Patagonia Lake enjoying themselves, and I'm here left to chore. My husband typically helps me out with all the feeding. He helps out a lot, and now I have to go chore and do it all myself while they're kayaking and having a lot of fun. So I'm unfortunately unable to go down there and stay with them because there is no rest for the goat herder. So it's 7:15 here in the morning. The sun's been up maybe 20 minutes or so, half hour, and they're all super mad because I should have already been out there choring. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go water the garden. We actually planted our garden. We got everything planted. We have a whole bunch of stuff, but we did decide not to do the whole dome thing. So we did have some pipes up that we were gonna cover it. We had a really bad grasshopper issue last year. So shortly after we bought the place, there was a huge infestation of grasshoppers, and they will eat everything and leave nothing behind. So we were really worried about that, and that's why we wanted to cover it initially. But when we were looking, we can't cover it with plastic, which of course would be much cheaper, but we can't cover it with plastic simply because it's the desert. It's too hot. It will just cook in there. And we were looking at screen, and it was about $350 to cover the thing. So when we thought about it, it was like, well, why would we spend $350 when all of this is just recycled material, just to have it, you know, we didn't want to waste the money on it. So what we're going to do instead is hope for the best, which isn't really that great, but we're going to see. And, you know, this is going to be our first year here, so we'll just see how it goes. We'll just hope for the best. So we have some squash. Here's our peppers. Got quite a few different peppers in here. These are all of our tomatoes. We got our potatoes here in that box. Oh, this area is going to be green beans. Looks like we already got some radishes coming up. They come up pretty quick. And also looks like we have some lettuce coming in. So that's pretty exciting. It's been about a week. And then here's our broccoli. So yeah, can't wait to get some food out of here. Hopefully we'll get it before the grasshoppers do. I am gonna have to cover the garden tonight. It's gonna be a low of 36, so just, of course 32 is freezing, but we don't want to risk it, so I will cover it. Whether I use a bunch of different pots for the little plants or plastic, I don't know yet. We will just have to see if I have enough pots, but definitely gonna cover it tonight. And yeah, check out our fig tree over here, guys. We got leaves that are starting to grow, so pretty excited about that. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really know what to do with figs, but I'll figure it out. Apparently it takes a lot of years for a fig tree to get established. And this fig tree's doing beautiful. It's been here for quite a while. I'd say it's a good 10-year-old tree, so pretty excited about that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I am going to get around so that I can rush down to Lake Patagonia and visit with the family for a little bit of the day at least, and then come back here and do chores again and start milking. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.